Wood storage or lumber storage in a really small one-car garage workshop can be very problematic. I have a solution that might work for you and it might not. So stay tuned and let's see what it is. Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. A very small one-car garage workshop. One of the things that's most difficult is having a place to store a lot of lumber. So I've got a number of different solutions, but here's the primary one, and this might be possible for those of you with small one-car garage workshops. You've got a garage door opener here, and that obviously comes up and goes along a rail, and there's a couple rails on the sides. If you have any space at all above that rail up to the ceiling, and I've got about 4 foot or so, then it's possible that, and what we did was we put in a mezzanine level, if you will, or a storage level, and that's nothing more than 2x6 boards going around the perimeter, and then using joist hangers, and then putting, I've got 4 joists going across. So again, 3 around the perimeter, 4 joists going across, and then just plywood on top of it. And that gives me an area of about 6 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet wide, and maybe 12 feet across. So I've got quite a bit of storage up there. So then I have to use a ladder to get up here, but that's no big deal. But actually I've got a lot more room up there than I'm utilizing. And I tend to only buy what I need for a project and not keep too much of my offcuts and stuff. I try to just avoid that habit. This really solves my problem. If you haven't utilized the area above your garage door rails and below your ceiling, maybe that's an idea for you as well. Real quick before you go, just a few requests. How about subscribe to the channel? Hit that notification bell, otherwise you'll never know when I've produced new videos. Give me a like, and very, very important to comment on the videos. I believe that will help out with my YouTube analytics. And also, I would really appreciate if a few of you would go to my Patreon link and give me a little $1 or $2 a month for a few months and help support some of the overhead of this channel. Small workshop guy, hoping you'll be safe in your workshop. I'll see you next time. One last plea. I love it.